What up, guys? So we're gonna be doing the headlights today, finally, after like 3 years on my car. So we're in Wes's car right now, about to go to the store, get some groceries, get some paint, and then hopefully get to disassembling these headlights, getting those halos put in. I got the ones from Angel Eye Guy. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of them or not. Saw them on the Facebook group. It was on, like, I think N54 Tech, somebody posted it. But yeah, hopefully gonna get these bad boys done today because they're long overdue. We're finding another house. Port-a-fort. Ah! You look like a pervert.
The mustache.
Drink. Got everything we need.
Dude, I'm about to go call.
You gonna run it? Say, hold on. Let's do it. 20. Do it 20. 1, 2, 3. Got gapped. You lost. You missed third.
I say cruising down the street in my wide body.
Alright, so real quick, I'm gonna go ahead and do an oil change on Wesley's car. So what we're running, Castrol Edge 5W20. Already let the other one sit out for a little bit. What is this fitment?
That's perfect.
What is this? I did also forget to say I got these new wheels, or not new, but I got them off Marketplace. They're BC forged HBO 5s. Honestly, I mean, I kind of like them. They're kind of growing on me. They've got like paint chipping, so I'm thinking about sending them out to get refinished. And I'm on stock suspension, and that fitment honestly is pretty freaking good. So, got a clean engine bay. Look at that. They eat off that bad boy. You reading? How to change your oil. Using the clutch. And make sure you know how to drive.
I don't know how to drive.
I don't know either. But got one of the headlights out, so fixing to break this thing apart. Where's that stuff that I got? I'm just gonna show what I'm using because everybody's got their own method of how they paint it, how they prep it or whatever. But this is what I found to be probably the most common combination of products to use. So I'm gonna be using, well, first I'm gonna be using the Easy Off. This is gonna be, so just oven cleaner. I'm gonna be using that to get the chrome off the headlights. Some self-etching primer, instructions are on the back, whatever. And then just some trim and bumper paint, flat black. So basically, whenever you're doing the chrome on this thing and you use this Easy Off, like, it literally wipes off. Like, the chrome just falls off pretty much. That's crazy. So yeah, basically just boom, no more chrome. Okay, so this is what it's supposed to look like afterwards. These pieces pretty much look clear. These parts right here, the chrome, I mean, like, that stuff literally just ate up all the chrome. So it's just like a white plastic. Those inner parts, same thing, just a white plastic inside and out. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these prepped and then get them primed. All right, so just got done painting the second coat. It's probably kind of hard to see, but they're painted. I just gotta wait another hour. It says that they'll be ready to fully handle in an hour and fully dry in 24 hours. I'm gonna just go ahead and put them bad boys together because I want to get this thing going and I want to see what those lights look like. So guess I'll be back in about an hour or so.
1 hour later.
Okay, so I had a couple problems installing them. On one of my rings, 3 of the clips broke, so I had to just super glue the rest of it back on, and hopefully it stays. But right now, I'm currently testing it. The car looks like a bug. It looks stupid. But if we turn on, they work. And they look pretty good. They're not flickering in real life, obviously, but I'm gonna go ahead and take them back out and then get the lenses put in, and then we'll see what the final product looks like. All right, so the lights are back in, looking nice. Now I've got them back in the lens. I kind of want to see what they look like when they're.
No.
Why?
Not until the bumper's back on.
Why?
Because.
Cause why?
Because you wait till the bumper's back on, you get the full experience.
The full experience. I wanna see him now.
No. But wait. Don't look. Don't look.
I guess I won't look.
Oh yeah, dude. Bro. Yes.
Can I look?
No. Hold on. Alright, yeah, you can look. Yeah.
Guess I'm gonna have to hurry up and get this bumper just thrown on the car. I wanna see what they look like. Bumper's back on. Finally, it's starting to get dark. We're on FaceTime with Carter. Where's Carter at? Carter! Hey boy! But yeah, I want to see him. Can I see him now, please, coach?
I guess, dude. Ain't done nothing all day anyway.
I know. Oh, look how clean that engine bay is. Take notes. Take notes. All right. I don't know where my key's at. I think it's somewhere over here. Yep. Man. Let's see. Fire it up, Becky. The freaking battery's probably dead from us like locking it and unlocking it. I'm gonna just turn the car on. Maybe if it turns on. Fake M-Nod from eBay. So far holding up pretty good. I don't know if that's gonna adjust where we can see it. So much better. So much better. You can't even see it now because it's dark, but I'll probably put some pictures up, get some videos in the daytime, then put just here towards the end of the video. But other than that, that's it. And I guess I'll see you guys in the next one with whatever we're doing to this heat. But I never fit me.